Hello, my name is Kareem, and for this month, I'll be creating an application called My Daily Inspiration. My Daily Inspiration is just basically an application that will give users daily quotes, kind of like inspirational quotes. People that's kind of going through hard times and need a little pickup in their life or whatnot, so on and so forth. But let's get into it. Let me show you what I got so far. So as you can see right here, I already got the home screen created. This basically has the head in My Daily Inspiration. Give it a little tagline: live your life one day at a time. You can see right here, right off the bat, it has the user login menu. Um, if you aren't a current user, you could create yourself a new account by simply clicking on the sign up today for free. So basically you click on that one, it gives you the registration page, and let's go ahead and add some data into the entry fields. So let's call this Bob, last name Burger, um, maybe give it a username of Bobby, email address, let's try this, bob@mail.com. Yeah, as you guys can see, I've been going through this for a while, so you have a lot of user fields already have entries in there, previous entries. Password, let's go Burger, confirm Burger. Okay, hit submit. Alright, now it says you have successfully registered. It gives you go to the home. Even Google popped up and asked if you want to save the password, so I could exit out that little menu right here. We go home. Now we should be able to use that entry to log into the site itself. So we go Bobby, username, Burger, password, and then there you go. So as you can see right now, we're in the user homepage. It says welcome back Bobby, which is the username itself. I have made my escape route right here, which is the logout, takes you back to the main menu. But basically, this is a generic template of basically what the site's going to be about. So it's basically going to have the quote of the day. It says nothing is impossible. The word itself says impossible. So it's going to generate random quotes. You're going to be able to comment on the quotes. You're going to be able to upload quotes of your own. Also add quotes to your favorites menu. But that's pretty much it for the actual design that I've got so far. But let's take a look at the code so I can show you guys a little bit of how I got where I am right now. First thing right off the bat, we're looking at the landing.php. If you look under here, I got a few controls going. I got to create user control. I've got the landing itself, landing.php. I got user home. I got a users controller, and I got a verify login. So this is basically what I'm using to verify the entire login. Under models, I just have the user models with all of my logic here, where this is where I load the database. I have function to grab users. I have function to set the users. I have function that checks that allows you to log in. It checks to verify the information, the login information. It verifies it with the database in itself. Those are my models for my views. What I basically did for my views is I have my views split up into two different sections. I have a template where I basically have a footer for my page and I have a header. And what I basically do is I pass the footer and the header view along with all the information that I want to do. So it kind of just makes my my HTML views kind of short and neat by using the templates in itself. Under my pages itself, I got the home page, I got a register page, I got a success message, I got user details. That's basically just a separate option of just to print out every single user that's in the database, so on and so forth. This is user main. This is the main menu for user home when the user logs in itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the code section I got so far, I got a little bit of JavaScript going on. That's my main.js. So a bunch of hover effects at the moment. Nothing too major, just to give it some basic styling. CSS as well. My style is CSS, so I got all the pages kind of styled. If you look over here, this is my actual database in itself. So as you can see, users, content. If you look at it right now, I have Kareem and I got Jenny. If I refresh this, there you go. So you get to see Bob, Burger, Bobby, the user that we just created. The password has been entered using the NV5 password encryptor. So all the passwords are nice and encrypted, so you're never going to be able to expose anybody's password to public use. But that's pretty much it so far. For upcoming, I'm gonna start working on my quotes. So I basically have a user ID, quote ID. So I'm on the user ID is going to be the foreign keys between these two tables, which is going to combine. So every time a user uploads a quote into the database itself, it will tie each individual code to each user. So it just kind of keeps track of who is posting what on the site per se. But yeah, that's pretty much it so far. So my daily inspiration. Um, yeah, that's what I got. Thank you.